Friends, welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, we are going to start page number 13. Open up your books. Page number 13, Grammar in Use. D part. D part is about listen and read along. I'm playing an audio for you. Listen to this audio very carefully and then you're going to pause this video and read along.
Page 13. Grammar in Use. D. Listen and read along.
That race was really tiring. You're right. I'm so tired. Harry, why didn't you run in the race? Races are boring. Pizza is more interesting. That's true. He's always interested in pizza.
I hope you have listened to this audio very carefully. Now there is an exercise. Read the sentence which word tells you about the race and which word tells you about the J. There are two sentences. That race was really tiring and I'm so tired. Can you guess this thing out? You're very right. That race was really tiring. This tiring word tells us about the race. I am so tired. This tired word tells us about J. Now let us see how have we guessed this thing out. Grammar. In grammar section today we are going to learn about adjectives. Adjectives with ed and ing. First of all, let us see what are adjectives. A word that describes a noun and a pronoun are called adjectives. Adjectives that end with ed that tells us about how we feel. For example, excited, bored, etc. Adjectives that ends with ing that tells us about a movie or a game. For example, exciting movie or a boring game. There is an example. The people are excited. That game was exciting. Now you can guess this. The people are excited. Ed, excited, is an adjective that ends with ed and it tells us about how we feel. That game was exciting. Adjective ending with ing. It is telling us how that game was. There is an exercise. Circle exciting or excited. Pause this video and solve this exercise. I have solved this exercise for you as well. Let us match our answers. The kids are exciting or excited to go to the show. You're right, it's excited. The women are playing an exciting or excited soccer game. You're right, it's exciting. My brother is reading an exciting or excited book. You're right, it's exciting. We are exciting or excited to go to the festival. You are very right. It's excited. Now you can see the G part. Write sentences in your notebook using the adjectives with ed and ing. The words are bored, boring, interested, interesting, excited, and exciting. Now what you have to do is, you have to write down the sentences for these words on loose sheets of paper. That's all for today.